Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we will learn how to use Hikvision cameras on PC. So let's start. First, open Google in your browser and search ivms 4200. Download ivms 400 software. Click on Agree. The software is now downloading. Now ivms 4200 has been downloaded. Click and install the software. Tick mark on Agree. The software is now being installed. Click on Finish. Now you can see icon on home screen. Click on ivms 4200. Enable the updates. Make a user and password. Now fill the security questions. If you forget your password, this will be useful for you. Now you have menu of ivms 400 in front of you. Click on device management. Now click on cloud P2P device and press add button. Select your region. Log in with HeConnect's mobile account now. I have a mobile account with two devices added to it. As you can see, we have login to our account and have two devices added to it. Now click on menu and main view. Click on user. These are the cameras of our two devices. Type the verification code of DVR in stream key. We have two verification code of two devices. You can see the verification code in your DVR's network setting. Now we can see the cameras of one device. We are typing the verification code of next device. Restart the program. Now we can see all the cameras.